What's up guys, Ackeem still here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of this shirt right here. Basically come in this package. I got this on Amazon, so I'm just going to show you guys basically how the shirt look. So as you can see guys, this is the shirt right here. So we have the white and the kind of blue trim right here. As you can basically see, looking pretty neat. And this size right here, as you guys can basically see, this one is the medium. As you can see right there, the size and everything that's inside. So basically gonna try it on now, should you guys see how it basically looks. You can see guys, shirt is perfect. Just gonna tear off this tag right here, and as you can see, I'm now rocking the shirt right here, looking pretty neat. You can see from the back. I'm just gonna show you guys basically how it look. So this basically looks a bit big for me. I should have chose the small, but it still fit perfect. As you guys can basically see, I'm rocking the shirt right now. So and here we have some button that you can basically button up as well when the time is hot, because the time is basically cool right now. Just gonna wear it like this, fit perfect. As you guys can see, I am a lover of white shirt, so this is basically the perfect choice, you know, in my going out and so forth. I'm loving this right here. Material made from cotton, but feel really strong. As you can see right there, I'm loving it. Fit perfectly.